Here's how to change color of blocks in Block Blast. So the first thing that you're going to do is to, of course, open your Block Blast game. And then once you're already on the Block Blast game, of course,
Excellent.
what you need to do is to enjoy the game first. Now, if you want to change the color, on the upper right, you will see there's the settings option. What you need to do is to click on that. And then afterwards, what you need to do is to go ahead and see the other options that you can choose from. So you can go ahead and go to the more settings options where you will be able to see the settings that you can go ahead and change colors. But if in any case that it is not available, what you need to do is to click on the replay options, and then once or every time you click on the replay options, it will redirect you to the different colors or change of colors of the blocks that you wanted to your Block Blast. So if you want to change or if you're not contented with the colors, all you need to do is to press the replay for you to get the color that you want.